This is Brian Wilson with Force of Martial Arts, and I'm just going to be narrating a little drill that we're doing. We call this the ride along hip throw avoidance, even though I am doing a Sayanagi right here, which is technically a hand throw in judo if you want to be specific about it. So we're doing this with Sayanagi, but we're also going to do it off of just a basic hip throw, like an O-gosh or an uki-gosh style hip throw if you're studying judo, spelled like goshi. Okay, like essentially they're going to pick you up and you're just going to kind of surf out of it, right? You got to it's kind of not really an athletic move, but you do have to react. Okay, so there he puts a foot down, and like my goal would be when he comes in to throw me, like here we're talking about getting to the side, is to ride out with my right foot like that and then come to my left foot and attack. Thanks for watching.